Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing number 168. Let's start with this row. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. Got the 9 covering these two boxes, so it must be there. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here. So 5, 7, 7 here, and the 8. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 7 here. So that means our 8 is here. And 5 and 7 here makes this our 4. So then that means this is our 5 and our 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8, and no help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so this is our 4 and 6. For this column now, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing a 5. And for this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got the 5 here, so 2, 3, a 3 here, so 2, 5, and no help here, so 2, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so this is our 9 and 3. That 3 makes this our 2, so this is our 5, and this is our 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 8 and 2. That 8 makes this our 5 and 8. For this column now, we're missing a 4. That 4 makes us our 8 and 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing a 2. And so for this box then, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help, so 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 1 and 2. That 1 makes this our 9 and 1. And that 1 makes this our 9 and 1. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 6 and 8. For this row then, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.